Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever tried making vermicelli upma and ended up with a sticky lump of dough instead of beautiful, fluffy, separate strands, raise your hand. Trust me, we've all been there. To begin, start with roasted vermicelli 250 grams, chopped onion, curry leaves, peanuts, chili, cashew nut. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. First add teaspoon of cumin. Wait until they actively splutter. Next, add a few raw peanuts. Sauté these for about 30 seconds until they turn a pale gold. Now, add a sprig of fresh curry leaves, 2 slit green chilies for heat, and finely chopped onion. We are just going to sweat these onions for about 2 minutes. We don't want them brown or caramelized, just soft and translucent so they stay sweet. Add salt. Add turmeric. Add 2½ cups of water and bring it to boil. Now add roasted vermicelli and mix well. Close the lid and cook for 10 minutes. Look at that. Total transformation. Every single strand is perfectly cooked, completely separate, and beautifully fluffy. The color looks incredible. If you give this technique a try, let me know in the comments below how it turned out for you. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video helped you out. Subscribe for more foolproof recipes. And I will see you all in the next video. Happy cooking!